Okay, good morning, dear students. Today we will learn a new topic that is the solution of non-homogeneous linear differential equation. Basically, we have three methods for solution of such type differential equation. One is the method of variation of parameter. This is the first method. Second is the method of undetermined coefficient, and the third method, the solution of the Euler-Cauchy equation. Let us consider the second order non-homogeneous differential equation is this. This is the second order non-homogeneous differential equation. A naught x y double dash a1 x y dash a2 x y equal to rx, where a naught x may be a constant or a variable or a function of x. Similarly, a1 and a2 and rx is a function of x, and always the a naught x is not equal to 0. In this method, we can directly find the general solution of a differential equation without finding the particular integral. And the process for finding the general solution of a differential equation is, first we need the complementary function. Suppose the complementary function of this differential equation is a yx y1x plus b y2x, or ax y1x and a bx y2x, where a and b in this equation, a and b are arbitrary constant. Let us consider at the place of this arbitrary constant, this is the function of x. Okay, then without finding the particular integral, we need the value of ax and bx for finding the general solution of this type differential equation. The value of ax equal to minus of integration gx y2x upon Wronskian of x dx plus c1. In the denominator we have the Wronskian. This is the Wronskian of the two linearly independent solution of this differential equation, or we can say that the Wronskian of y1 and y2. Gx equal to rx upon a naught x. Similarly, the value of bx equal to integration of gx y1x upon Wronskian of x dx plus c2. After putting the value of ax and bx in the equation of complementary function, we can easily find the general solution of this type differential equation without finding the particular integral. Okay, this is the process for finding the solution of the non-homogeneous linear differential equation using the method of variation of parameter. Students, in our next lecture, we will solve an example using this method. Okay, thank you.